Today we are going to do problem and solution. And problem and solution is a whole lot like cause and effect. So hold on tight because it's going to kind of be, similar. I don't want to play that song. You all can play that song on your own. Okay, how does the author organize problem and solution? So in a text, there could be one problem that has multiple different solutions, like different things that come out of it. Okay, or it could be one problem with one solution. Okay, so you would look for problem, conflict, dilemma, possible solution, reasons. The question is. Problem solution can look like this, or it can also look like cause and effect. If I go back one slide, where it's one problem with one solution. That looks a lot like cause and effect graphic organizer because problem and solution is a lot like cause and effect. The thing I tell kids is ask yourself, is there a problem and was it solved? If there was a problem and it was solved, problem and solution wins. It triumphs. Because the problem is like the cause and the effect is like the solution. It kind of is cause and effect too. But when it's like that, you always pick problem and solution. If there's a problem and there's a solution, always pick that over cause and effect. Okay, so there's our graphic organizer again. And we're going to look for some clue words. Okay, it may also give pros and cons of the solution. I'm looking right here in this text structure. Author gives a problem and they could have one or more solutions to the problem, and they could give pros and cons. So problem, conflict, dilemma, possible solution, reason. The question is. Those are some different ones. Okay, so problem, solution or solutions. You can list multiple ones here. And what was the most effective solution if there's more than one? All right, we're going to read this passage together. Ever since the magnificent statue of our magnificent statue of our beloved town founder was unveiled last month, it has been the victim of graffiti almost nightly. Uh-oh. What was the problem? People are putting graffiti on the statue. Graffiti is when they spray paint or write on and destroy the statue. The vandals, so those are the people who are putting the graffiti on. The vandals have drawn mustaches on General Whipple and his horse. Oh no. They covered them with toilet paper. That's a problem. They've even painted the word horse on the horse, which is just plain silly. We had to use a big chunk of the town's budget to keep cleaning it up, and the money is going to run out soon. Luckily, I have a plan. Ooh. Did you see this? I have a plan. Oh, not what I wanted. Let's go back. I have a plan is a clue. We have a problem and solution. I have a plan. Okay, that lets me know it is a problem and solution type of passage. Victim. Victim is also one that lets me know there was a problem. Problem. There's a victim. There's a problem. Okay. All right. Let me make it big again. I have a plan to protect the statue and save that money. I propose that we purchase a set of solar-powered floodlights that will keep the statue brightly lit all night long. This will make it nearly impossible for anyone to sneak around near the statue. Since the lights will gather their energy for free during the day, the cost will be minimal. Okay, so solution, I propose. My mouse is not cooperating. Escape. Here's the proposed solution right here. Okay. Since the lights. Now notice since is a cause-effect word, but it's also telling us the reason the solution is going to be good. Okay. Since the lights will gather their energy for free, the cost will be minimal. In addition, we will place 2 small video cameras. Ooh, the other solution. Copy paste is we're going to have 2 small video cameras. That is a great solution. On the premises, these won't cost us a penny. They were used for security in the town museum that closed some years ago. Hopefully this plan will stop the vandalism. We're going to stop the vandalism. We're going to stop it. Okay, we're solving that problem. We're stopping it from happening. At the very least, we'll be able to identify the culprits. So the problem is someone is vandalizing the new statue. Okay, that's our problem. So solutions. There were 2 that I heard. 1, use solar powered lights to protect or to that shine on the statue all night to keep people from vandalizing it. And 2, we're going to install video cameras that used to be in the part of this problem, and that is free, low cost. Okay, part of this problem is also it costs a lot of money to clean it up. There's a money component to the problem here. Was the solution the most effective? I don't know why that says was the solution the most effective, but what I'm going to put here is I think having both the cameras and the lights will be most effective. Okay, so having the cameras and the lights will be most effective. All right. So then you guys are going to read this passage about being sleep deprived. That's our problem. Americans, we're too sleep deprived. We're not getting enough sleep. Okay, so we would list our problem. And there might be more, like I needed to add more on that last one. Americans are too sleep deprived. Okay? And you might need to add to that. That was just what I got quickly by looking at that first paragraph. America has become a sleep deprived nation. Okay, and we might need to add more to that. Like up here, we needed to add about the cost of cleaning it up. Okay, so you're going to read this about America being a sleep deprived nation and tell me some of the solutions to those problems. Great job, guys. Oh, wait, one more thing. Don't forget to go back and say why you know that. I know this is problem and solution because the problem is that the statue is being vandalized, and the solutions are lights and cameras. There we go. That's how I know it's problem and solution. All right. Thanks, guys. If you have any questions, remember I am on from 9 until about 11:15, 11:30 every day.